if you want to find a list of startup incubators you can apply to, there's literally no shortage of them. The top tier incubators are Y Combinator, Techstars, 500 Startups, so on and so on, AngelPad, and so on and so on. But there's a ton of them. If you scroll down the list here and you see, all I did is just search Google for this, very easy. And all I did is like, look, there's, you have CDB, which is literally like a website for all listing all of these kinds of places where you can get money, and it's so almost endless, right? Then you back out of that. Then there's angel.co. If you're not familiar with AngelList, it's maybe the premier website for finding investors and posting your startups. You should actually post, if you have like a startup-y idea, definitely post it on angellist.co or .com, whatever, both work. But here is the incubator list that they have, and you have more and more and more. Also nearly an endless list. Of course, a lot of these lists will overlap, but for you, just see where which ones that might work for you to apply to, and simply apply to a few of them as long as you meet the criteria. Typically they list their criteria, and if you want to get into a seed fund place like a incubator, that usually obviously there's so many of them that they work differently, but most of them give you a little bit of seed money, a lot of advice, access to engineers, access to mentors, and help you grow your idea into something launchable, introduce you eventually to bigger investors, and then it's sort of up to you they kind of incubate you, and then it's up to you to go and build this long term. So this is just a list for you to see a whole bunch of places where you can apply in case you're looking for money.